Did you know branding the security products you install and sell can bring you more customers without any added effort? It's super simple to do and can make a huge difference in growing your business. When your cameras and recorders carry your logo and your contact info, every installation you do becomes a source of brand recognition, credibility, and future sales. Branding has always been important to us here at Nelly Security, but with the launch of our new L-Series IP security cameras and recorders, this topic matters even more now. If you're a Nelly's dealer, you already know we take branding seriously. We offer free standard branding to all accepted dealers, and our L-Series line was built to make this even easier. I'm Matt from Nelly Security, and in this video, we'll discuss how L-Series and branding together can elevate your business. How does this all happen? Let's get into it. What is branding? Branding your security equipment simply means adding your company logo to the products you install. This usually means applying a high quality ink stamp to your camera or placing a clean professional sticker on your NVR with your logo and contact info. With L-Series, it gets even better because every product in the L-Series line comes blank straight from the manufacturer, meaning they're all brandable, no distractions, just a perfect canvas for your brand. Why should you brand your products? There are three main reasons. One, brand recognition. Your logo on every camera and recorder helps customers remember who you are. It sets your business apart in a crowded market and helps create consistent identity. Number two, trust and credibility. Branded products feel more professional and reliable. When customers see your name right on the equipment, it builds confidence in the quality of your work and the solutions you provide. Number three, free marketing. Every branded camera becomes a mini billboard. Anyone who sees your clean, well-installed system can find your name and contact info so easy. Your own installs start advertising for you. Okay, so here's what's so exciting about this. As a member of our dealer program, we will brand your L-Series products for free. That means every L-Series install you complete can generate more business for you. There's no minimum order quantity to have branding done, and we ship them out within 1 business day of your order. All L-Series products come with a 2-year warranty and lifetime tech support. The L-Series line is known for being user-friendly and cost efficient. All L-Series cameras have intelligent events and come in different form factors. From features ranging from ultra low light to active deterrence to wide angle, there's something for everyone. Since the L-Series line is competitively priced, it's perfect for small to mid-size installs. What are you waiting for? Let your own work bring in your new customers. If you want access to free standard branding and better pricing with L-Series, sign up for our free to join dealer program today. It's easy and completely free to join, no monthly fees, no random costs. I'll put links to the dealer sign up page and L-Series collection down below. Drop a comment. We want to know what you guys are thinking about L-Series. Does this excite you that we can brand these L-Series cameras? And if you're a dealer, you get it for free. What's your experience been like? We're interested to know. Remember to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.